about how I blow dry my hair. So basically I have washed my hair, I let it dry for like almost 30-40%. I do my prayers, I drink water, I do some preparation for our lunch, and then I come back and start blow drying my hair. So just after my hair wash, what I have done is I have used a heat protection spray and a hair serum. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to section my hair. So first I'm going to just comb my hair so that I get rid of any knots. Always know that the sectioning of hair helps in drying the hair faster, and your hair dry will look the best when the hair dries from the root. So we need to ensure that we are drying it properly. So how I like to section is basically I part my hair, then I take the front part, and this is one of my section. Just ensure that the parting of hair is totally clean and you don't have any zigzag in between. I'm using a hair dryer brush to dry my hair today. The hair dryer brush has 3 settings: high, low and cool. I'm really bad at holding a hairbrush in one hand and hair dryer in the other. So I got this hairbrush or the hair dryer brush to make my job easy. I started high setting, run the hairbrush 3 to 4 times through my hair. Then change to low heat and pass through my hair till it is almost dry. I give it some time at the roots of the hair that they are dry very well. After I am done with all the sections, I use the cold setting to set the style as I wish. With a hairbrush like this, you can get natural looking straightened hair or create soft curls. The only downside I felt is that you can't get the shorter hair straightened like you can do with a small head or the small round brush. I'll just fast forward and show you how I achieve my final blow dry hair look. this is the final look of my hair after blow drying. I sometimes put some argan oil towards the end of my hair to make it look shiny. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comment. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.